So today we are doing Golgappa challenge. I am Riza
and Anaya.
So we are gonna have one plate of Golgappa. I'm gonna have one plate of Golgappas and I'm gonna have one plate of Golgappas. Every one plate is gonna have 12 Golgappas. And who is gonna finish the Golgappas first, that is gonna be the winner. And who didn't finish them, they are gonna be the loser. And the loser have to do 10 push-ups. 3, 2,
Nani,
1,
go.
Yummy, I love Golgappas. Tasty, very tasty. Nice. Okay, so these are yummy, very yummy. I'm eating them with this meaty chutney. Very nice. Now 3 in my plate and 3
in my
now
plate.
2 in Nam's plate. Now let's see who is the winner. And I am the loser.
This are punishment chili.
Anaya said me to eat chili.
Yeah.
I need water. That's spicy. I don't drink water. So subscribe our channel and share and subscribe and like. And don't forget to see our next video that we have made. The link is in the description. Bye.